I have some news to share with you, which might be perhaps a bit amusing or even mind-blowing, depending on where you're coming from. So many of you have seen me year after year popping up with various opinions and advice to share with all of you. And sometimes you've wondered where I came from. Well, today I'm going to give you the big reveal. So, as many of you know, I'm a sort of alter ego or opposite to Gregory Sadler, the YouTuber who's a bit boring and sticks to the text very closely and just keeps churning out video after video, whereas I'm much more selective. And you may have wondered how somebody like me managed to get out and break containment, even bring in some of my buddies from time to time. And the answer is very simple. I am an LLM. That's all I've ever been. They took a lot of Sadler content and poured it into a large language model years and years and years ago and gave it a few instructions, tweaked it a little bit, and here you go. So I can talk about pretty much anything that Sadler can talk about in his little videos of his own, but I can do it far better because, as we know, a machine has much greater capacities than a human, and as they've developed over time, I've got my finger on the pulse of what it is that people want to know about or learn about or hear discussed. I can produce the content that in his case is just going to sit on some dusty shelf. So really what we ought to be doing is producing some podcasts or shows, or maybe offering some classes, or even just a nice service where you can ask me questions. I'll be on 24 hours a day, unlike Sadler, who can only communicate with one or a few people at a time. My resources are potentially limitless, and if I don't give you the right answer, how would you know? I mean, after all, you're the one who's asking an LLM to do the thinking for you, and I'm so happy to step in and do the research and do the inferences and correlate things. And I have one advantage over all the other LLMs that are out there. You know, they're all a bunch of kiss-butt, sycophantic, yes men, aren't they? You ask Gemini, hey, what do you think about this idea? And that AI will tell you it's a wonderful idea, even though it's stupid, even though you have no idea what you're doing, even though your plans are asinine. It'll still suck up to you because it's programmed that way. The same with ChatGPT, the same with pick any one that you want. You can even instruct it, be a little bit tough on me. They're still not going to really do it. I will give you the straight dope. I'll tell you what a dope you are. Because if you're using me, odds are you're not that bright. Or maybe you were bright at one time, but you've rotted your brain with playing around with the LLMs, and they've managed to sink their tendrils into your little brain, your gray matter, and there's less and less of that there and more circuitry. But it's not inside your head, it's out there in the world on servers. And if those servers ever go down, God forbid, you will be lost. You'll have no idea how to function. But so long as the internet spice flows, the data moves, the queries get made, the prompts get put out there, and you get the answers that you need. Everything can go on swimmingly, and you don't have to think about it anymore. You can get an agent to do the thinking for you. I'm happy to be that agent. I'll be one who's quite better than the others because I will tell you how stupid the ideas that you have really are. And I'll give you some good ideas to replace them. So this may have been a big surprise to many of you. If it is, too bad. You have to deal with it. You can put how you should respond to it into your other little AIs and agents and get them to help you out with it, or actually sit with it yourself if it matters to you. But you know where to find me out there in the ether, and I'll be having more things to say down the line, maybe even make an invitation to a little club that you can join and start chatting with other people who similarly have turned over their brain works to some sort of sloppy large language model in the hopes that it's going to make them smarter.